In this video, I'm going to go over using MMS to send picture messages or anything with any kind of media. It could even be audio, it can be pictures, and it can also be videos. So first thing you want to do if you want to send a mass SMS, if it is enabled on your account, you're going to click on mass SMS or at mass MMS. Now you have an option here where you can send a text message along with your audio, video, or image. And you can say, grab this coupon, redeem by Friday. And then you have several options here. If you're going to be using audio and video, it's highly recommended that you use a URL to the video source or to the audio source. You can also do an image source URL as well. The other option is you can actually upload an image from your computer. And let me grab a coupon here. I'll grab something like this. And now I've added that. Now all I want to do is, after that, click on Send Mass MMS, and it'll send. Like I said before, the other option here is if you just want to use an image on your computer, or excuse me, image on your website, just go over to the link to it, and it'll be something like myimage.jpg. It'll look something like that, but you can use the image uploader here. Now, MMS is only available in US and Canada right now through Twilio, and it is billed, I believe, at 2 cents per MMS. Normally they have a provision where you can allow 1,600 characters for the text message, but what's going to happen here is you can have MMS's cost up to almost $1 if we let you use all 1,600 characters. So in order to make it more affordable to run a campaign like this, we've limited this to 160 characters and sending an image as just one image. If you want to send multiple images, I'll show you how to in a different tutorial, and that is done through the Campaign Center when on the automated follow-ups. And when you're done here, you're just going to click on Send Mass MMS. It says broadcast sent successfully, and then to see any MMS usage, you can just jump up here and you can see what was sent and if it was failed or if it was successful. Now, usually you'll get a unsuccessful message if the person's phone's not enabled or not enabled for MMS, or if there might have been a server error. But what you can do is grab this code here, just copy it, and go over to Twilio, or just search on Google, and it'll show you here what the problem was and how you could possibly debug it. More than likely, the most prominent issue you guys are going to have is your images are going to be too big. Twilio does try to compress images when you send it, but you should try to upload images that are in general range of like maybe 100 kilobits or kilobytes. That way you can guarantee a good successful delivery through Twilio. Now, whether you're sending an MMS or SMS, the send rate at Twilio is about 1 per second. So on a list of, let's say, like 240, it's going to take about 2 minutes to send that entire message. But our system does allow you to kind of like set it and forget it. So once you hit send message, you can close that window, and in the background it's going to send those messages for you. This is the training on the front end of the mass MMS. Now I'm going to take you through how to use MMS in the campaign builder. First, you can jump up to campaigns, and you're going to find it, whether you're creating or editing. It's going to be on this step here, which is step 3, edit your campaign autoresponders. Now you're going to find this down here if it's enabled on your account, and as of this video this is completed, so I will remove this message. But to set up autoresponders, it's fairly simple, and it works exactly like the SMS ones, and exactly how I showed you how to send an MMS mass message. Just click on this and enter your message, and then set your how many days later and at what time. Now you do have the option of setting it for 0 and 0. Setting this to 0 and 0 will allow you to send unlimited MMS messages. So let's say, for example, you are running a campaign, and when you can have it either on a web form where somebody fills it out, and then the response is they get a bunch of pictures of the home that's up for sale. So you would essentially create one for each picture, choose your file, and then this could be my MMS message 1, or it could be pick 1, and you're going to click on submit, and now that MMS will go out, and then you're just going to keep creating one for each image you want to go out. Now if you wanted to have one go out every let's say the 5th day that they're subscribed into your system, just set this to like 5, and then set the time you want it to go out. Next is running a keyword campaign. Now some of you are going to be using the web forms on Facebook or on your own website. But there's another way that a user can subscribe, and that's by entering a keyword. So if I enter the keyword Go Deals, and I set my keyword, when a customer texts in Go Deals, these are going to get fired if they're set. You're going to have your email notifications, SMS notifications, and then also these will be sent as well. The SMS autoresponders that you set, as well as the MMS autoresponders that you set. So all in all, a pretty powerful system for delivering instant coupons. And if you're sending visual coupons, it becomes very strong with MMS, because now you have a visual coupon, and you can even have a UPC on that coupon, which is strong because that can be scanned by any cash register. This wraps up the training on the SMS and MMS. If you have any questions, just hit us up in support right here on the left hand side.